Breaking updates now coming in. The Aam Aadmi Party MLA Kuldeep Singh has been booked after he met the victim's family in Hathras despite being corona positive. On October 3rd, the MLA had posted a video of him meeting the family members on his Twitter account. More breaking updates coming in, and this is the response that has come in at this point from the AAP MLA who has flouted the COVID norms and has been subsequently booked. Kuldeep Kumar, in fact, told Mirror Now that on October 4th he again tested and found out negative. Then only he went to meet the family members. Let me go across to my colleague Alok, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Alok, this is callous attitude of the Neta which has been exposed. But even if the defense of the AAP Neta, where he says that he tested negative again and only then he reached, there is a certain time limit, there is a protocol that needs to be followed even after you test negative, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely, Apurva. In fact, more than 14 days that you have to be staying at home, whether your report came out as the negative, but despite that, as the protocol of the ICMR, that you need to stay in the isolation for at least 14 days. But despite that, not only 1 week was passed, and on the basis of the report, he found out negative. He went to meet the family. So definitely he had violated the norms of the Epidemic Act, and that is why the Uttar Pradesh police has registered a case. When we talked to, and in fact when we took the reaction from Kuldeep Kumar, he categorically said that because his report came negative, and it was the attitude of the Uttar Pradesh police to register or book anyone, any innocent man for any case, and this kind of attitude because Uttar Pradesh police is having, that's why they have booked him. But as far as the protocol is concerned, definitely he should have spent at least 14 days, then he should come out of his house and in fact from the isolation. But he went to meet the family on 4th of October and he stayed there for more than half an hour, what we are getting to know. So now the administration is also taking the sample of the family members as well so that they could get the test if anyone is affected with the corona or not. Back to you.
All right, Alok, this is extremely dangerous, the manner in which and absolute callousness of the Neta that has been exposed this time. Alok, thank you so much for speaking, joining us and giving us those details. But this is the entire aspect that needs to be highlighted here. Here's the Aam Aadmi Party MLA who in fact has been booked under the Epidemic Act after he met the victim's family despite being COVID positive.